I know it's so loud and you probably can't hear me, but me and my friend Sada, we got onto, so I ran onto the train and she missed the train.
Hey guys, so I just wanted to kind of show you what my week is like. This week is pretty different from my other weeks, as at the beginning of the week I went to team lab with my friends, and at the end of the week was Halloween. And there were quite a few adventures I experienced throughout this week, so I hope you enjoy.
Oh, they're changing. Oh my god, they're changing. Oh my god, it's changing colors.
They say Kiki has no rights, so. Why does my color look so different?
Hey guys, so I actually came to one of the study rooms instead. There are 6 of these in the big study room at TUJ. And so there's a big desk with a screen that you can project your laptop onto and 4 chairs. Hey guys, I didn't catch it on video, but there was just an earthquake now, and I'm in one of the classrooms and like everything was shaking. Like that is one of the largest earthquakes I felt since coming to Japan. That was just really scary because like everything just started shaking in this room. And I can still kind of feel the a little bit of swaying, but it's not as bad anymore. But yeah, an earthquake literally just happened. Let me try look up to see if they recorded how big it was already. So in Japan, they are pretty good at updating the earthquakes that happen around here. Japan Meteorological Agency. What time is it? 3:58. Chiba Ken to Hokusebu. Okay. The information that just came out was that the earthquake was a 4.3. It actually felt way larger than other like 4.3 earthquakes, but maybe that's just because the epicenter was closer. In Japan, earthquakes are pretty normal, so I wouldn't get like super freaked out about a lot of them, but that was just the largest one that I felt since coming here. I'm just going about my day. Nothing collapsed really. Everyone's safe, so Japan's pretty good at handling earthquakes since they happen so often and their buildings are really stable. So yeah. I know it's so loud and you probably can't hear me, but me and my friend Sada, we got onto, so I ran onto the train and she missed the train.